How to add product categories and subcategories in Shopify. So the first step is to simply go to products and then go to collections, and then you're gonna have to create a new collection. And here you can simply select all the products that you want to add. So let's say you want to create a subcategory for bags, and here it can be like summer bags, winter bags, men bags, woman bags. So you can simply create collections here, and you can create as many as you like. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply go to online store and then go to navigation. Now here you're gonna have the menus. So here at the top you have the main menu, so simply click on that, and here you're gonna have to simply name it. So let's see, bags, then click on add, and then here you can simply add the collection one. So here you can basically select all collection. You're gonna get redirected to all collections when you click on that, and then you can simply add a subcategory. So let's see, summer, and then you can pick the collection and pick the summer collection, click on add, and then simply drag this under bags like this, and basically this is how you can create subcategories. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.